Three things na sana alam ko na bago pa ako nag-start ng business. Let me share this with you guys. Para sa mga nag-start ng business, para sa mga gustong pasukin ang pagnenegosyo, no? I wish someone actually told me this prior ako nag-start ng business. So, I've been an entrepreneur for a decade already. So, it's not always a success. There's a lot of failures along the way. But then, kung paano ka bumangon dun sa mga failure mo, that is the story that you have to tell. Right? Of course, when you are down, when you fail, you do not have to tell it to anyone. But when you succeed after the downfall, that is the time that you have to tell to everybody how it is. So, my long roadmap of being an entrepreneur is something exciting na gusto kong i-share sa mga followers natin dito. Most especially, sobrang dami na rin ng mga followers natin dito na gustong mag-start ng business. So, let me tell you first thing. The first thing that I wish I knew sooner before I started my business is that cash flow is king. Revenue doesn't mean profit, and profit doesn't mean cash in hand. So many businesses fail not because they aren't making sales. Hindi dahil hindi sila nagkakabenta, but because they run out of cash because of expenses. Kumbaga, mas mataas yung expenses kesa sa income. It happens to us. I have a lot of stuff and then the stuff do not make sales. So of course, sumasahod sila kahit hindi sila nakakabenta. And that is one of the biggest mistake that I have because I am too attached with people na ayoko silang i-fire. Kapag negosyante ka pala talaga, hindi naman sa matigas ang puso mo, but you have to always think about the business. Right? And of course, you have to always plan for unexpected cost and have financial cushion, no? Hindi araw-araw Pasko sa negosyo, kaya kailangan ready pala tayo. Marami tayong mga contingency plans para sa negosyo natin. And that is the first thing that I wish I knew sooner before ako pumasok sa pagbibusiness. But of course, experience is the best teacher. If we're not going to experience this failure, we are not going to grow. Diba? I always believe that this entrepreneurship journey is a long journey of personal growth. And of course, for number 2, marketing is as important as your product. You can have the best product in the world or service. But if no one knows about your business, about your product, then sinong bibili sa'yo? Kaya kailangan nag-i-invest tayo ng malaki pagkadating sa marketing. Because marketing is the foundation of the business. No matter kung gaano kaganda yung